In this video, I will show you how to write not signed symbol in Microsoft Excel. So insert, then click on equation. Here in this third line in basic math, so select if anything else selected, so select here basic math, and from here select this not signed. Now select and make different size not signed. Another way, insert equation, then slash and type neg and press spacebar one time. Slash neg and one time spacebar. Make sure not enter, but you have to press spacebar one time here. That's it. So just insert equation, and once you click on equation, so in basic math, select it, and there are some more symbols like minus, plus, therefore, left, right arrow. So thanks for watching.